That's right. So how about a camp where at the end of the day, you've not only learned how to do something you've never done before, but you also get to take the final product home and eat it. Let's get to cooking in tonight's School Patrol.
Be sure you're not going with your finger towards the blade.
Good advice for this group of aspiring bakers here at Brentwood's Sugar Drop.
So use your thumb to just pop it right off.
Brooke Odell
I'm a self-taught baker. I left the corporate world, taught myself how to make cakes so I could stay home with my kids.
is co-owner of the Party and Bakery Shop.
We have an international cooking camp. Each week we focus on a different country.
So she's well prepared to teach this group
Spin it in that sugar.
how to make French butter cookies.
I know that they're going to be very sugary because in French cooking there's a lot of butter and sugar.
After the cutting
Probably have me jumping up and down for a few days after that.
and the sprinkling,
My favorite color is blue, so I put blue sprinkles on, making it look good.
it's time to bake cookies.
So it might be nice if everybody maybe did a different color.
But will they recognize their own creations once they're done?
Absolutely. And the little things that they punched into the cookies. They're going to know which ones are whose.
10 minutes later,
So does anybody know whose cookies those are on this tray?
I can't tell which one's mine.
That one's definitely yours.
I know they're here somewhere.
All right, ladies, we're going to be starting with this classic Napoleon.
how about branching out into pastry?
Open up your puff pastry, and there's going to be two sections in there.
Creating the vanilla-filled pastry
I haven't done very much with pastry.
is a bit more intensive than making those butter cookies.
It's like really fine dough almost that when you bake it for the pastry that we're doing, it's called a... Wait, what's it called? What's it called? A Napoleon. Maybe it might have been like Napoleon's favorite pastry or something. Yeah. I mean, he's French, right? And it's a French pastry.
One of the most difficult parts of this process
Roll it out until it is a 12 by 12 area.
is making sure the dough is measured correctly.
I've never rolled out puff pastry. I've made it before.
Sometimes it takes a little bit of magic to get it right.
We put it right here so that we know when to stop rolling the dough because we don't want to over roll it.
But mostly,
It's like a pastry that puffs up.
it takes a good eyeballing.
Doing it the way that Grandma taught us to do.
Aaliyah Kewen, it takes a good eyeballing.
Doing it the way that Grandma taught us to do.
Aaliyah Kewen
It's always fun when people enjoy the treats you make.
has already done her fair share of baking, and it's paying off.
It'll make things easier for the bribing process. And my siblings, they might do my laundry more for me.
But Odell had something else in mind when she started this sweet camp.
I just want people to get in the kitchen and at least try. And at the end of the day, if it's not perfect, at least it's going to be yummy.
And for more information on Sugar Drop, head to our website.
Who's hungry?
Time to eat. Thank you for being with us tonight.